Kum nó ban gran parang haba philik ban thep kang thep jam. Lada phio jeng mentoy na kane ka video wandam glad ban share lam chaki perlok lane hayeng hasam jong phi. Wandam glad ro ban page step by step knang ba pin yo jeng mentoy na kane ka video. Wandam glad ro ban like, share and subscribe. Where are you going? Shino Pinley. I'm going to apply for a job. Namod ban lấy thép cầm. What kind of job? Kakam ayo. You did not see the advertisement. Khi klem yo I yakato kachin padbana. No, I don't not see it. Em nga klem yo I. If you want to know, I have put a link in the description. You can check it. Lada pikwa bantip nga labo ya kaling bat kaching batay pila bantip. I will take when I reach home. Ngan sapet anda ngalapoy. Last date of online application is on 25 September 2025. Katarik kabakato ban pendep ya kine kipus da ka online kalong ha ka aksan tarik bna kendai ar hajar ar pevsan. For further instructions, please visit the website eastentihel.govt.in. Yaki chính tiếp và company snêu bha page ya kane ka website eastentihel.govt.in. Thank you for your help. Kublai shibun ya kajing irap jongpi. I'm glad that I have a friends like you. Ngas ngukumen banga don aralok kumapi. It's hard to get a job these days. Kalong kaba banyo kam hakine kisni. This day is really tough. Kine kisni hilang kibae. Even though it's hard, but never give up. What lada long kabae hanray what katrandin. Just inform when we get admit card. Sapentip andala your admit card. I will inform you. Ngan sapentip yapi. I'm so proud of you. Nga das ngau sarong shisha yapi. I'm so happy that I met you. Nga das ngau kumen shisha banga ya kendo yapi. Don't forget God when you get what you have prayed for. What glad ya ublay haba pilayo ya ka kaba pila duway. His love is always with you. Kajing maya jong o kadon rengkat batpi. His promise are true. Kajing kular jong o kabashisha. When you pray, God listen. Haba piduwai ublay usngap. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comment.